Home Remedies presents
Seniors. Just 1 spoon of this before bed. Hair grows back naturally. If you're over 50 and noticing thinner hair, more shedding, or a scalp that's suddenly more visible, you're not alone. And no, you don't have to accept it as just aging. Forget the expensive shampoos that overpromise and underdeliver. This is for you, the person who remembers their thick, full hair and wants it back. Let's get to the root of the issue and fix it with 3 essential steps. No fluff. No overwhelm. Just real results. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Why is your hair thinning? Hair loss after 50 is usually driven by chronic stress, which pushes hair follicles into a resting phase. Nutrient deficiencies as aging reduces nutrient absorption. Hormonal shifts including menopause and testosterone changes. Poor diet, especially sugar and processed foods which increase DHT, a hormone that blocks hair growth. Step 1. Collagen protein, your hair's foundation. Why it matters. Your hair, skin, and nails are made of type 1 and 3 collagen. Without it, hair becomes thin, brittle, and weak. Key nutrients. Type 1 and 3 collagen. Amino acids. Proline, hydroxyproline, glycine. Dosage and usage. 1 to 2 scoops daily of high-quality collagen powder. Choose collagen from grass-fed cows or free-range chickens. Mix into coffee, tea, smoothies, or water. Make it a daily habit. Benefits. Strengthens strands. Boosts elasticity and thickness. Noticeable results in 2 to 4 weeks. Step 2. Zinc and copper. The follicle activators. Why it matters. Zinc fuels follicle growth and helps produce collagen and keratin. But zinc without copper can make things worse. Key nutrients. Zinc 40 mg. Copper 1 mg. Maintain a 10:1 ratio. Dosage and usage. Take daily with food. Choose a supplement that includes both zinc and copper. Avoid taking zinc alone. It can cause copper deficiency. Benefits. Stimulates healthy follicle function. Prevents brittle, breakable hair. Supports hair color and structure. Step 3. Rosemary oil, the topical game changer. Why it matters. Rosemary oil blocks DHT and performs as well as minoxidil, Rogaine, in studies without the irritation. Key compound. Rosmarinic acid. Usage options. Use a daily shampoo with rosemary oil. DIY scalp treatment. Mix 5 to 10 drops rosemary essential oil with 1 teaspoon olive oil or aloe vera gel. Massage into scalp for 1 minute. Leave on for 30 to 60 minutes, then wash. Use 3 to 4 times per week. Benefits. Thickens hair. Reduces scalp inflammation. Blocks DHT naturally. What to expect. Weeks 2 to 3. Hair feels stronger, shinier, fuller. Months 3 to 6. Visible improvement in thickness and density. Consistency is key. Stick with it for 6 months to see real results. Typical improvement. 40 to 50% increase in hair thickness. Bonus boosters, optional add-ons. If you want to take things further, here are 5 powerful additions. Aloe vera. Drink 1 cup juice daily. Apply gel to scalp 2 to 3 times per week. Supports digestion, hormones, and scalp health. Be complex with biotin. 1 to 2 capsules daily with meals. Boosts energy, focus, and hair thickness. Omega-3 fatty acids. 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams per day of fish oil, cod liver oil, or flaxseed oil. Or eat wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times per week. Reduces inflammation and nourishes follicles. Stress management. Yoga twice a week, meditation 5 minutes daily, or regular nature walks. Reduces cortisol and protects hair growth. Anti-inflammatory diet. Base meals on vegetables, healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, and quality protein, grass-fed beef, wild fish. Minimize sugar, processed foods, and refined carbs. Add bone broth daily for collagen, minerals, and amino acids. You now know the 3 essential steps to naturally address hair thinning. Collagen protein, zinc and copper, rosemary oil. You've got bonus options to boost results and realistic expectations to guide your journey. The question is, what will you do with this information? 6 months from now, you'll wish you had started today. So start now. Be consistent. Trust the process. If this helped you, hit subscribe so you don't miss future videos. And if you know someone struggling with hair loss, share this with them. Sometimes the best gift is knowledge that can change a life. Here's to your thicker, healthier hair. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.